Thank you, Paula, and certainly thank you very much for the opportunity of working with you. So this is our third in the series, and lovely to have you all here today. So the questions and answers as we go through are welcome to be in the chat. If you wanted to ask, you're welcome. If you want to turn your videos on, you're welcome. And so I can see all your lovely faces. And so as we begin, I'd like to acknowledge and pay respects to the elders, past, present, and emerging, and acknowledge all Aboriginal Torres Strait Islanders and other First Nations from the land and the sea and the people and any people here today. So just a little bit about me. I've been a serial entrepreneur for many, many years, set up businesses, sold businesses, managed staff up to 25, managed staff of 8, got a staff now of 5. So understand that dynamic, as well as at times working on my own, as well as working with one of my sons for about 15 years. So the whole gambit has been around a business. And of course, as lawyers, and particularly for those who run their own business, you as lawyers are also business owners and CEOs or directors of your own company. And so sometimes we're faced with, what do we do around, engaging our team? How do we do that? And how do we build these high-performing teams so that we're actually working all for the same outcome? So I've added a few other objectives that we might want to consider, because sometimes we don't always understand functions of a business. And for all of us who are in business, which is all of you here today, whether you work for someone or work for yourself, you're still in business. And what you do is you're working towards the ability for that organisation to set goals and achieve their goals. We also want to make sure that we have an action plan leaving today, and that we get the right people in the right seats on the right bus, which means heading in the right direction, so that everybody's moving in that one space. And of course, the team's success will also depend on the leader's success. So as long as you're clear about your role, whether it be you're coordinating with people, whether it be you have a team of your own, the team's success depends on you and how organised you are and how you actually manage what they're doing and managing yourself. So one of the things that's important in all of this is to really recognise a couple of key things that I've worked with over many years, and particularly with leaders of varying degrees, whether it be team leaders in organisations, CEO leaders as part of their team in larger organisations. There are two things that I always ask people, and you might want to make a note of this. The first thing is, what are your 5 non-negotiables? That is, as a leader, whether it be of your team, whether it be of your workspace, if you are a soloist, what are your non-negotiables regarding how you do work practice? And so it's really important that you're clear about what they are, so that, because of course your team is a mirror of you. And if you are clear about your own expectations of yourself, then the team is very clear about those expectations that you have of them as well, whether you articulate them or not.